World biggest USB flash drive problem, USB not formatting. Whenever USB is inserted it shows a dialog box. Now trying to format the USB, applying method 1, simply format USB. USB is automatically disappeared. Now trying method 2, formatting from computer management. Method 2 fails. Now trying third method, using command prompt. USB disappeared. By using all methods USB is not formatted. If you have the solution, then leave the solution in comment section. Edited by Gumerz, Voiceover, Mark Zuckerberg, co-founder of Facebook. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.